6 tips to remember in caring for your baby. Babies are the ones giving joy to us. They make you cuddly and make you smile just by touching them. Sometimes it makes us feel childlike by talking to them even though they will not respond back. To have babies on your own is a big challenge. It is the challenge to give care and make the newborn mentally fit and healthy. It is also a mother's purpose of meeting the baby's proper developmental tasks when they grow up. There are 6 ways to give gentle care to your babies. In caring for newborns, the first and foremost that you have to consider is her nutrition. Mothers should assess that her child is taking in the right amount of food, which is obviously milk. You also have to see to it that they drink their milk on time with the right amount and formula. Don't forget to also check the ideal weight and height for your baby because this is an assurance that your baby is healthy. Secondly, newborns are very fragile and delicate. Their skin is very sensitive to cold and hot temperatures. You should see to it that the room has the right temperature. Cover them when it's cold and light materials are used when it's hot. You also have to remember that babies are prone to illness because of an underdeveloped immune system. You have to make sure that immunizations are given by strictly following the scheduled time in order to fight against bacteria surrounding him. According to some experts, immunization inclines the protection against antimicrobial that produces illness. The step of giving baths is also a thing to look up to because this provides cleanliness to your child. Make sure that soap use for the baby is non-irritating and hypoallergenic to the skin. Checking the infant's bowel elimination is an important step to consider. You have to visit your doctor if bowel elimination is beyond normal to prevent the baby from further dehydration or indigestion. Lastly, trust versus mistrust is the essential developmental task of the newborn. These tackle about the social growth of the baby by Erikson. The importance of knowing this milestone is giving comfort to babies, seeing that babies' needs are all met. Otherwise, there will be signs of anxiety, mistrust, and suspicion to your child when he will grow up. In providing complete care to your child, you have to sacrifice your time and focus all your attention on them. You have to be always alarmed of the negative signs that he is showing you. To fix them, you have to know them really well. A positive result of this means the absence of illness, mentally and physically. You will soon be the proudest mom because you were successful in making your baby healthy. If you would like to add something based on your experience and help other mums in our community, feel free to write a comment below and don't forget to subscribe our channel.